Away from the front lines, technical intel officer Maxim, not his real name, strips down a captured Russian all-antenna surveillance drone. We are the first journalists. They are showing how Russia is using Western tech to kill Ukrainian troops. This circuit board that can pinpoint cell phones is even maybe more dangerous than the camera. The cell phone tracker, he says, made in the USA. The engine made in Japan. And the thermal imager module on the camera, he claims, was made in France after Russia invaded. Drones like this one are a terror on the battlefield and are revolutionizing the way war is being fought. But the battle over control of components inside of them is almost as important as the supply of new rockets and artillery. At the front lines, Ukrainian soldiers fear Russian drones and celebrate and share what they call successful hits. Kyiv's military intelligence say the drone's powerful cameras with thermal and infrared imaging and cell phone tracking are making it easier for Russia to kill Ukrainian soldiers.
From a UAV or a drone identifying a Ukrainian target, it can be 3 to 4 minutes for the Russians to engage them.
So French lens, Japanese engine, US-made GSM parts. What other countries' components go in here? The list, Maxim says, is long. Includes Austria, Germany, Taiwan, the Netherlands. His job, follow every serial number, find out who made it, and tell allies to figure out how to stop Russia's drone techs getting their hands on it. But stopping supply of these often commercial components won't be easy. Russia may have huge stockpiles and has a long history evading controls.
The FBI has been tracking down Russian supply networks since 2014 and trying to close them down. So if they can, they will continue trying to sidestep it. And it is a real problem because often these components are being bought by legitimate companies.
That Ukrainian intelligence officials have gone public with their frustrations that their allies' tech is ending up in Russia's hands is an indication of just how deadly and decisive Russia's drones have become.